everyone, my name is Jackie Tomassetti. I am the Behavioral Health Program Manager here at United Medical ACO. Today in this video, we're going to be going over some behavioral health and substance abuse resources that the state of Delaware offers for you. So in the state of Delaware, we have four inpatient resources. We have the Rockford Center, we have Meadowood Behavioral Health, we have Dover Behavioral Health, and we have Sun Behavioral Health. All four of those range from adolescents all the way to geriatrics that they serve for behavioral health and for detox. Rockford Center also serves the pediatric population. So for behavioral health also, all of them have partial hospitalization as well as IOP. So for people that are also looking for a partial and IOP, all of them serve that as well. So what does it mean when you or a loved one is in crisis? When someone you love or you yourself are in crisis, you may be feeling sad, you may be feeling anxious, you could be depressed, you may be feeling suicidal, you may be feeling homicidal, or you or a loved one could be feeling that way. You may need to be reaching out for help. This may mean that you may need to be going inpatient, or you may need to be going to a partial hospitalization or an intensive outpatient program. So in the state of Delaware, we have multiple resources for you that you can have access to. And in this video, I'm going to be going a little bit in depth of what that looks like so that you and your loved one have access to treatment in the state of Delaware. If someone should ever be in crisis, please make sure that you dial the number below for Newcastle County crisis, as well as dial this number below for Kent and Sussex crisis. So for those interested in detox and rehab services here in Delaware, we do have plenty of rehabs in the state of Delaware that you do have access to. Depending on your insurance, you will be able to go into inpatient rehab, depending on what you would like to do. There are also partial hospitalizations and intensive outpatient resources for you. There are also many doctors that are giving medicated assisted treatment, and your primary care physician and licensed clinical social workers can also assist you in getting referrals to those intensive outpatient treatments as well. So please feel free to contact them to get more information about that. So for example, there are a few different resources that you can go online and find a treatment center by you. For example, there is one called Treatment Atlas as well as Treatment Connection. So for treatmentatlas.com, you have to go and type in your zip code. So for the zip code 19801, I click search, I click within the 50-mile radius, and as you see here, it comes up with the different amount of treatment providers that are here within my network. So I have here the different treatment providers that I have access to within a 50-mile radius. And a lot of them have listed here, whether it's residential treatment, whether it's outpatient treatment. So whatever different type of treatment that I am interested in, I have access to right here at the click of a button. So for a treatment connection, I type in my zip code at 19801. I type in my mile radius of 50 miles. I type in the substance of heroin and substance residential treatment. I hit search, and it brings up all of the treatment providers that have matches for me. And it will tell me if they're taking patients currently. So as you can see, all of these treatment providers below, they are taking patients or they are not taking patients. So right here, I can see which residential treatment facilities that are in a 50-mile radius of me are taking patients, and that I will have access to go and get residential treatment that is available to me.